Hello everyone and welcome to ArtSparkle. Let's coloring together. Alright, let's draw a fox today. First, let's draw the eyes. Next is the head. A big nose and mustache. And ears. Then the legs and body. And a fluffy tail. Alright, let's color. The nose is pink. And the inside of the ears are also pink. Let's color the head. The fox has orange fluffy hairs. And the body and the legs. And the tail. Alright, I'm all finished. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like today's video,